make the discussion about functional area of management. Management are working in the 4 different functional area in which marketing management, finance management, production management and human resource management is given. We learn the briefly introduction and all the management relevant topic in this session. Number first, it's called as an marketing management. Marketing management is a one type of process to satisfy the two-person need. Here two-person means buyer means a consumer and another person is that's called as a producer. Consumer have always be worried for their satisfaction and producer always be worried for their maximum profit. So marketing management is the process or it's a program for analyzing, planning, implementing and controlling the mutual desire exchange with the specific person. Means two persons satisfied their needs. Marketing management is done through 4P and this 4P is called as an product, price, place, promotion. Place is also used as a distribution. The combination of these all 4P is known as marketing mix. Here, product mix means every company always be worried while they would like to make the marketing. At that time, they develop their product in a proper appearance, size, shape, weight, quality, quantity, brand, packing, guarantee and with after sales services. Those all are the matter included in product mix. Number second, price. When any company want to sell their product in market, they also decided the price relevant matter regarding determination of price, sales policy, credit policy and discount policies. Number third is place. It's also called as a physical distribution. In this decision, company decided by which way they would like to make the distribution of the goods. For that purpose, wholesale, retail, the different channel of distribution are developed. And in promotion, how to raise the sale by the company, that kind of the things they always be deserving. For that purpose, advertisement, personal selling, decision regarding the publicities and sales promotion oriented different techniques can be used. Through this way, marketing management is done. Number second, we learn about the financial management. Everyone know that finance is like the lifeblood of the business. Without it, there is no possibilities of business. In here, we learn that what is the meaning of financial management. Financial management means the acquisition of finance, utilization of finance and allocation of the fund in the different sources. This is called as an financial management. Or whenever the company have requirement of the fund, they are liable to acquire the fund, utilize it in a maximum manner and allocate the fund. That is called as an financial management. In financial management, the various functions are included. Just like every company's financial manager estimate the need of finance. They also decided the proper capital structure of finance, the various source of acquisition of capital for a short term or a long term. They also acquire the finance by the various means like share, debentures and many more for a short term just like overdraft, cash credit, etc. Company also make the proper financial plan as per their time duration, short term, medium term and long term. Company also prepare the budget. Company also allocate the funds. Company also make the proper utilization of the fund so it will not encourage the burden of company. For that purpose, company also frame the financial policies. Company also make the plan for taxes and company also make the arrangements of the assets, fixed and working assets. By this way, the various financial management function can be performed by the financial manager. Let me start. Number third, it's called as an production management. The production management is the task with the help of a number of tools like man, machine, market, material and a proper method and with the help of money to associate all that things at once and making some output. The whole process is considered as a production. means conversion of the natural available raw material into the consumable finished goods. The process is called as an production. But production management is the process in which we make production planning, deciding the programs, maintaining the coordination, directing and keeping the control on the production. This is called as an production management. In production management, a production manager performing that type of function. Number first, to decide the production plan. What to produce, how to produce, where to produce, when to produce, that thing is called as an production plan. To undertake the production research, as per the market survey, they got the proper ideology, what kind of the things are required into the market, and what type of the products are most demanded or less demanded. They also make working for the quality control. Production manager also control over the expenditure or the cost and try to increase in productivity. Also create the simplification of the product and creation of the varieties of product. They also make the focuses as well as product development with a product mix. Means by changing size, color, shape, everything, they develop the new product. To select the proper technology and machinery. To take the decision regarding selection of the proper location and layout of machine. So the work of production remaining continue and none kind of external environment are affected to the product. To estimate the required materials and need for the productions and to maintain the production control. If excessive productions has been made by them, then it will be create the loss of the business. For that purpose, they can be maintain the proper control in a production management. Number next is human resource management. Human resource management in a short form, in abbreviative form, we use that HRM. Number of years ago, it was named as an personnel management. But nowadays, in a trend, in a real life, every company known their employees as in a valuable assets. So, every valuable assets in form of the human beings are known as a human resource management. Human resource management means acquisition of the necessary staff, development of the necessary staff, and maintain for a longer period and achieve the organizational objects. The whole combination is called as an HRM. In short, acquisition of proper employee, development of employee by training, and maintain it for a longer period. It's called as an HRM. Let's see the characteristics. In HRM, number of matter related with selection, training, promotion, directions are included. Human resource management, always be working for the achievements of the business goal as well as individual goal. Basic function of human resource management to manage the employee as an valuable assets. It provides the proper training and develop the personals for the job, so wastage can be reduced. Human resource management evaluates the performance of employee and place on a right position, so work can be done properly. Efficient management can reduce the labor turnover, so when one labor shifted from another unit, from one to another unit, it's called as a labor turnover, it can be reduced. And longer term oriented period, employee can be maintained. With the help of human resource management or a proper management, a good environment and good atmosphere has been created which boost the morale of employee, motivations to the employee, and easily achieve the objectives of the business. Those all are the basic characteristics we have been seeing. Importance of the human resource management. Human resource management are most benefited for the business because the maintenance of employee always be benefited for everyone. As we discussed in one quote, mind your man will mind everything for you. Good human resource development always be benefited for the business, like high standard of quality oriented goods and services maintained, feeling of oneness is to be created, maximum utilization of resources, reduction in labor turnover rate, employees efficiency encouraged, their morale will be boosted, motivations to the employee can be seen, profitabilities in the business, encourage, reputation or the prestige of business will raises, employees get the proper job satisfaction, and due to the human resource management, employees job satisfaction ratio increases and they are motivated, so industrial disputes reduces and industrial peace can be maintained. Through this way, human resource management is helpful.